Good morning, dailies. So today, what my adventure is hooking up a grow light. Yes, I bought a grow light specifically for the tomatoes and cucumbers and everything else that I got going here in seeds. So we're gonna hook that up. We got it, it came yesterday from Amazon, so we're gonna try this one out, and we will review it as we go along, of course. So basically, there it is right there in that package. And there's my tomatoes that I put in on February the 11th, and I'm going to put in the spider plant in that one. And I've got some lavender and rosemary and some more tomatoes. And let me see what else I got here. A couple little these little seed starting greenhouse type of things. And oh yeah, so if you go to the coffee stores and you get a lot of coffee and stuff, and you get the wood stir sticks, grab yourself a bunch of these, because these are very handy for writing on or even doing what I did here, putting a label on them as to what you've planted. So they're good to have. I forget where I got, oh, A&W is where I got those ones. And let's go ahead and open this up now. So basically what I've done here, I was going to make a nice big stand that goes like up and over and down again and just clamp on the table to do it, but then I found my old web camera stand that I had made, and it looks god awful right now because it's wood. However, I did buy a little jar of beer marquee paint. This is a satin semi-gloss interior exterior. So anyway, it's black, so we're going to paint it black to match the table, and we'll just take a C-clamp and then just clamp that on there, or a couple hand clamps type of thing, and then we'll hang the light from that, because it does have a chain, it does have some other stuff. So with that being said, let's get into opening this guy right up now. So I love getting parcels from Amazon, and I already cracked it open just now, and it comes in the box. And anyway, this one here is made by these guys, Ecru or Ecru or something like that. It's equivalent to 150 watt incandescent. This is totally LED. It is full spectrum. Let's see here, it has all the specs on it here. We can actually hang it via the hanger that's on it, or it comes with chains as well, and it's 120 volts, so it plugs right in the thing. It has an inline switch, so that's nice. It's very lightweight, and we'll see how it goes. And so let's open this. So let's open them up now. Oh, and I think I paid $39 to my door for this item, so it wasn't that expensive. You can get big ones, of course, 4 feet long and that, but I just wanted a small one to give it a try. Let's see. Get a chance to win 2 more grow lights. Share your pics, videos, and mention us. Okay, we definitely will do that. Because we are going to put this on in this video and review it, of course. So, this is what it looks like on the front side. Very thin. It's only about maybe, like, this is all metal here. This is the white part, or the clear part here is the actual light and LED itself, because this is just all bracket, as you can see. So it's very thin. So yeah, so we got there's cool white, there's warm white, there's red, and there's blue LEDs in this. So that gives you your full spectrum, and you can mount these on the wall. You can hang them like that, which I'm going to do right now, until I need some longer length to go down, to give you all the cables, cable ties, the strings to hang it on, the screws even. So, you know, that's just a fantastic purchase. So what we're going to do is we're going to put it up here like so, probably like that way, and hang them down like that, so it covers most of our table. And we'll put our plants underneath it, of course. So it's supposed to give a 2 foot by 2 foot spread for growing, so we're going to definitely try that. So we're going to mount that up onto the thing now and go from there. Okay, so I got the screw and that, but the screw is going to go through that hole. So what I'm going to do is just use a makeshift washer of a piece of cardboard to keep that from going through. So I'll just punch that screw through that cardboard, and then we'll use that to hang the light. Yeah, that'll work. So what we're going to do is we're going to put it in the center, right there. And if I can keep that steady for long enough, while I screw this down, we'll be laughing. And there. That holds that. And that holds our light. So, now we'll turn it up this way, and we'll have to clamp it on the table, of course. I gotta tighten that up a little bit more, but that will definitely work. I'm gonna get the point across for the video anyway. So we'll plug it in and see the light output of this first, and then of course we'll tidy it all up, put it and screw everything down type thing, and everything will be hunky-dory. Now I also have a timer, so timers are good to have. You can get these. I got this at the dollar store for $4. It's polarized, so it works. I set it to come on at 8 in the morning, go off at 8 at night. So yeah, it's good to have them that way. You don't have to worry about it. And this got the on-off switch, so there we go. Now it looks like just a normal white light. Okay, let me adjust up. But as you can see, there is the warm whites, the cool whites, the reds, which are really bright, and the blues for proper growing. And I just pulled my screw right out of the thing. Anyway, that's no big deal, I'll fix that. So that's that. That's what it looks like. Very lightweight. What a wicked light. It's great. So I went and actually got a metal washer and put there instead of a piece of cardboard, because the cardboard just wasn't holding it up and keeping it steady. So now we'll just tilt it like that, and it looks like that. And we'll put our plants right underneath, our tomato plants, which I will go through and explain to you about those tomato plants someday in another video. So yeah, so this is the light. We'll put her on now, and it'll go off at 8 o'clock. And there we go. Give them nice light. And when I get around to it sometime this week, I will paint that stand black, and that'll be nice. And it says an average of 2 feet-ish away from your starting plants, or your seeds, or your plants, or whatever. So that's about 2 feet. So if we actually have plants there, we'll have to raise that up a bit. So I have some plans that make an adjustable thing up and down there, so that will work. And if I need more light, well, I'll figure it out as I go along. You know, there's always the option of buying another one or something. So anyway, we'll go with that. So that is the unboxing and the setup of the Ecru LED grow light 150 watt incandescent equivalent. So we'll let you know how it goes in time from here. I've heard nothing but good stories about this light, so let's hope and let's hope. In the meantime, love and live life to the fullest.